Let's get started. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is one of those good mornings. How are we feeling? How are we feeling? How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Beautiful people. Hope you guys are having a awesome morning. I know I am. Let's get into these charts, shall we? All right, we opened up and we're going straight down. I believe we have some major news coming out pretty soon. And we are cascading. We're doing the thing. You know what I mean? So I don't really see a way I could have gotten into that, so I'm not even gonna beat myself up over it. Let's check to see what time does that news come out. Time does that news come? 9:45. Trump is speaking at 9:50. And we might as well wait till 10, like Money Glitch said. Yeah, we might as well just waiting for that 10 o'clock hour. Trump is speaking at 9:50. Probably just gonna make a couple of remarks, but you never know what that man will say. You never know what that man will say. So yeah, guys, it looks like we are holding off for the next 15. Holding off for the next 15. All right, so I don't know where my orb is going to be, but it could be something like that. God damn it. Could be something like that. Cool beans. And we'll see what we can do here. Alright, that new low there. And we're still making lows, guys. We're still making lows. Big opening range today. Big opening range. Alright, so since there's not really too much to say. It's probably best to just wait until 10. Most likely waiting until 10 a.m. Yeah, most likely gonna wait until 10. The market, well, this is a little loud. Hold up, guys. It's a little loud in my ear. A little loud in my ear ski. Hope it's not too loud for you guys. Anyway, all right, cool. The market has been blessing us lately with these very early moves. Really haven't been having to wait too long lately. So I hope my discipline muscle isn't getting weak here. But I think it's probably best to just wait until whatchamacallit, 10. Because you never know, buyers could just show up here. I'm kind of sort of short on my lower time frames here. Higher time frames are obviously beyond bullish. But once again, we're at a spot where bulls can come in. So we'll see, guys. Could be a consolidation, punch down, just a punch right back up type of day. And here we go with that news. I think this is our first set of newsy news here. Yeah, we got flash services and we got the flash stuff. I don't think anybody really cares about this, but it's there. Good job. Could this be a 1, 2, 3 action? I don't know. It seems very. I don't think I like the short. So all we've really been doing is just been buying this entire time. But gotta go with what the market is telling you and not what you think, right? Gotta go with what the market is telling you. I don't even like where. Yeah, I don't like how low we are. So if I'm expecting sweeps of this level here, 1, 2, bow, it's going well past my estimate. I mean my sweep levels. Bromaniac. What's up, Sir Sucker? I like that. What's up? I'm conflicted right now. Obviously, we're waiting. I got Trump speaking at 9:50 in a couple minutes, and then we got some more 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. isn't going to be like a super duper rocker, I would suspect, but it's probably just best to wait until 10. I'm thinking that we may just bubble up from right here. We're very low in this range. This could be a little power of 3 situation where we consolidate for what looks to be like what? Almost 10 hours, if not longer. Much longer, actually. About 15 hours or so. Then we punch down, we manipulate down, and then we come up just to make a new high. So we'll see. I'm getting that powerful 5-minute SMA cross here. It could be worth to see what happens at these levels right here. But we're gonna have to wait for all of that. Either way, I do see like buyers coming up here. It's not really worth it to play a risky 3 buy, in my opinion. But you could see something like, if you really wanted to trade, you could probably see something like this. I'm not doing that just because it doesn't really follow any of my rule sets. I don't really have a model for it. But I could definitely see like this just bouncing right back up. You see, just like this. So yeah, I just don't have any model to entertain it. Here's that 20 test. Could see a little punch lower, but I think buyers would be in control at these levels because we've been doing nothing but making higher highs. It's all-time highs. No need to really fade that. There's that 20 test I was just talking about. Could flip right back up. Did I lock myself? I'm gonna lock my settings real quick. 400, blah blah. Yeah, same thing every day. Same thing every day. I only want to do but so much damage here. And I'm tired of being a contrarian. I've been a contrarian like all week. So I don't want to do that today. I kind of want to be in flow with the market. Or what I think the market is doing. So there's a little 20 test. Not playing this one. Once again, setting a little dummy account just to get a feel for volume. This is my process. Don't mind me. This is a dead account. I'm thinking 4 micros or something like that today. I think 4 would be pretty decent. Might be able to go 5, honestly.
Order filled.
Yeah, I kind of like 5. I kind of like 5. 3 would be the super conservative amount.
Order filled.
Yeah, 3 is super conservative. It might even be worth it to just go 3, just to get a feel for what the market wants to do today. All right, so that initial idea was wrong. Buyers are not stepping in. They gave it an old college try. So could we see a bearish SBS setting up down at these levels? That would be nice. Get rid of this. Yo, over here. Alrighty. Trump should be saying good morning eventually. I don't know why they have Trump speaking as orange folder. Oh, because he's talking at. Oh, he's addressing the world leaders at the UN. Okay, he's not gonna say anything too drastic at that point, but he is speaking. Just him saying words is an orange folder event. It wasn't like that under Biden. Biden started speaking, nobody cared. Trump started speaking. Oh, buddy, wait a minute. Oh boy. All right, buyers are stepping back up again. Failed to make a lower low here. You could see that you could see that first idea again. You could see that. Let me make sure that NQ isn't giving me any conflicting signals here. Big NQ looks the same. Let's look at ES real quick. Whoa, ES looks completely different. Whoa, look at that. We have a little divergent six sister thing going on. Look at that. Wow. Almost makes me want to buy. Almost makes me want to buy. Almost. That's crazy. ES looks completely different. And YM usually does its own thing. But let's just take a little look at YM. Whoa! Look at YM. Lord have mercy. Is NQ the laggard today? Look that YM. I'm looking. That's crazy. That's nuts. Where is YM going? Where is YM going? What in the world? Okay, back to NQ. That's funny. That's comical. All right, so I don't think I need to worry about what Trump is saying. Let's see if we get that 1-2 pattern back down here. That'd be nice if we make a new low right here. If we can make a new low, that'll confirm this 3. And then all we need to do is just swipe up, swiping all of this for it to continue a bit lower. Oh, but I don't like... you're kind of fighting the higher time frame with that shit, though. So there's your 3. So this is officially in play. So I can see if we can do something more like this now. Oh, once again, it's still kind of ugly. Yeah, like your sweep levels are just. Yeah, not in love with anything right now. YM stands for YM. I not in buys on YM. Hell yes, man. They're like, this is ridiculous. like what? What have? Jesus. Well, I hope YM. Well, I don't know what you would have done, right? Like, it's just all right. We opened. And we just bought. This is literally close your eyes and buy. Just close your eyes and buy it. ES is probably doing the same thing YM is. No, ES is still a little funky too. Okay. Anyway, I'm not liking how price is kind of forming up right now, to be honest with you. I mean, I see a 1, 2, I see a 3, but if we find buyers at these levels, I'm just thinking that they'll just come like really hard. That's what she said. And they'll just come like really hard and then just like bust us out. So I may throw my fib at the entire range right here. Seeing what could happen at this kind of move right here. So we'll see what we can do right there. The tea is hot this morning. Yeah, YM is not a bad asset. It's just I'm just more in tune with NQ, unfortunately. I would love to branch off into ES. She seems to be less moody with her movement. It's just really hard for me to read YM sometimes. She's not as smooth as NQ, if that makes any sense. YM, I mean, NQ can be very wild, but at least she's like, okay, I know why she did that. She'll break a zone. She'll do like a couple things that's outside of the plan, but for the most part, I can still read what's going on. ES at times could be like, okay, what is this? Like you can kind of say that like right here, and that's not. I mean, I'm just not in tune with the pair because like look at this, man. These are 1 minute candles that have went almost nowhere for like several seconds. So and even here at the open, the candles are a little bit broader, but this range still looks extremely like tight to me. So when NQ, I mean when the ES gets her mess together, I'll think about trading her. But until then. All right, buyers not showing up. Oh, we had a 5 minute engulfing there too. I didn't even see that. When this candle opened up minutes ago. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Probably could have saw something like this. That would have been a nice little move right there. But I wasn't looking for that. Wasn't looking for that. All right, so once again, my lower time frames are saying to stay bearish. 5 minutes crossing down, 1 minute is pushing us down. So what you can see, what I'm really looking for is I'm looking for the 1 minute to kind of like start curving upwards. And when we get to a certain zone, hopefully this one right here. Oh shit. Hopefully right here, if the 20 starts curving upwards like this, I wanted to start getting closures below that same 20 and start pushing us back down if that's what she wants to do. There's a tool for everything that I just did. I just don't know what it is. Sorry. Like a draw tool or something like that. Yeah, there's got to be some type of tool. I don't know what it is. Brush tool? Yeah, there we go. All right, so I'm looking for the 20 to kind of like do something like this. And then when you start closing below on the 20, you can start seeing something like that to push us back down. So that's kind of what I'm looking for at the moment. So yeah. But right now we are a little low. We are a little low to my eye. Honestly, it's almost getting to the point where maybe we can start looking for some longs. Here's an area of interest right here. Big movement out of that zone right there. Doesn't mean nothing, but doesn't really mean nothing, but it is an area that I want to keep my eye on. And we got that 10 o'clock news. Not really a shaker. All right, closers below the orb high, or below rather. If we get an engulfing here, it could be worth to play something kind of cheeky. Could be worth it. Never want to be the first buyer though. We'll see. We shall see. Let me know if that music is too loud, guys. I'm kind of turning it up because I'm kind of running out of commentary here, and the music do some of the heavy lifting. A lot of indecision right here. Probably not gonna get that engulfing. So once again, we're waiting. I don't like how I keep on extending this fib though. For like new lows after new lows. I don't like that. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. There is like a little bearish SBS setting up right here, but I want the bigger picture. Kind of want the bigger picture. A couple more seconds in this 5 minute. Don't think we're going to get a bullish engulfing at this point. So once again, sitting, waiting. Be fun if she proves me wrong in the last 30 seconds. I don't know, 10 seconds to go. Can she do it? Nope. Alright. We're stuck waiting. Stuck waiting here, guys. Stuck waiting. Now I'm kind of in between what wants to happen here. Technically speaking, the move origin you can argue that it's actually this right here. But I'm not counting the wicks. There's no way I'm counting the wicks. So I like this a little bit better. Little pop right there. Could be wrong though. Could be a fake out. 1, 2, 3. There's like I see a little mini SBS happening right here. So you could think about a short right here. I'd rather not though. Yeah, I want the big picture. I want this to get swept. 26, alright. Yeah, I kind of want the big picture here. Damn, if we could have closed engulfing right there, I would have entertained a long. Smooth operator, what's up, my guy? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Like I say, I'm waiting for this bigger level to get swept, but I can also see this this little mini SBS, this could actually work. So you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe get a 5 right here. This can pop right back down into this bearish zone right here. It's a little tricky to my eye. I kind of don't want to just hop into trades. I'm gonna try and wait for the bigger picture. But you can definitely see I can definitely see some movement down here. But I don't want to get caught up in noise. All right, let's see what's going to happen. One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This is FEG right there. It goes, pops right back up. Let's see it. Come on, Nasdaq. I want the bigger move here. I want the sweeps of all this right here. I don't want to short at this level right here. I really don't. Little doji candle right there, which means indecision. Looks like that mini SBS is playing out. I have the same 2 scenarios drawn. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if this pops back up one more time and gives us 5. But once again, this also looked pretty valid. I just didn't want it. I want to sweeps of these levels right there. So. Oh yeah, we got a gap here in the 15-minute. I would love it if it comes up here and then it starts to shoot down. That's what I'm looking for. The 1 minute can push this down though. Very tricky, this market, very tricky. Very tricky, this market. Struggling right here. I think your boy is still speaking too. Yay. Hey. Well, W for patience already. I'll give myself a W for that. W patience so far. Come on, Nasdaq, sweep these levels for me. Yeah, so sweep this for me. Little pop right there. This could be a 5 for the little mini SBS. Could be a 5 for the mini SBS. Mini. The small SBS. Almost took it right there, right now. See if I pulled the order. Fair enough. I think the higher scenario is in play. I think so too. It's like one of those situations where it's like you don't want to miss the move, but at the same time, I think the higher time frame is just. I think that's the one that we want to do. And of course, it's going to tap this to the T, and then try and get us into that trade. It's going to try and do it. It's going to try. Double A, I've not taken any trades so far. We are flat. Ah, look at that. I knew she would do it. I knew she would do it. I knew it. I had a feeling she would be like, All right, well, hey man, it is what it is. Instant almost 1-2 off bucks right there. Ooh, I had a feeling she would do it. I know you too well, NQ. I know you too well. Flip back up though. Flip back up and prove us right. Flip back up. Yeah, that's just what NQ does, man. She's tricky. She's tricky. Hits the box perfectly, almost no drawdown. Boom. I guess maybe we were asking for a lot for price to come all the way up here for a 20 test. See the trade, take the trade, right? Would have been at break even on this. Yeah, it would have been at break even on that for sure. That's about a 1-3. Let's see. Yeah, I meant to say 1-2, 1-1, 1 of those. 1-3 was a bit much, but yeah, it would have been break even right there. You probably could have took your partials. But here we go. NQ being moody again. Let's see what happens. Yeah, good point, SBS Sniper. Yeah, if you would have saw me take a trade, you would have saw this this little thing be this right here. Up, down. But please, don't copy trade me. Don't copy trade me. I am not a signal service. I am very much a student of the game, like yourself. You will see me mess up. You will see me. You'll see me do all the things. I try to tell everybody who joins the stream, do not copy trade. There's almost no point in copy trading. I'm just here to entertain. That's all. Yeah, so do not, if you're looking for a person to copy trade, I am not him, nor should you be copy trading in the first place. Form your own ideas, form your own opinions, all that good stuff. But yeah, never copy trade. That is one thing that I stayed in that phase for way too long, trying to copy trade other people. When they would lose, I would lose, and when they would win, I would also lose. So there's that. I'm only here for the signals. It's only because I know you, SBS Sniper. I know that that's not true. Expanded reversal. The problem with the expanded reversal right here, it's not super duper expanded. But since volume seems to be a little on the low side, maybe you can see some bias just come in this curve up. I mean, maybe. I just don't have any proof of it right now. If I get an expanded reversal, I like to play a bullish engulfing on the 5 or something like that. I don't want to just blindly hop in just because the 1 minute is supporting price. It's not really my bag right there. Not really my bag. Music stopped again. But I do agree with like a little long to short opportunity though. I do believe in that. It's a little too floppy for me. I'd rather just wait for the move to happen, and if it doesn't work, it just doesn't work. Yeah, you can see how we're kind of just like going back and forth. If you can't spot the liquidity, you are the liquidity. If you can't spot the sweep, you are the sweep. And I just think that all of this needs to get swept before we make an actual move. So we're either going to pull up sharply up here, or we're going to pull down sharply down here. It's going to be one of the two. So this stream after the 100 days or no? Yeah, I plan to. Probably won't be going as hard with it because there are some days where I just want to trade by myself. But I can't deny the results of streaming live. Kind of helps the nerves a little bit. Kind of helps just talking to you guys, like planning out the trade. And just not, and keep myself accountable. It's very easy to go on tilt while nobody's looking on, like not keeping yourself accountable. So I do plan on trading. Live streaming after the 100 days. It's probably not even going to be this year, honestly. I think we got... Did we even have 40 more trading days in a year? I think so. It's going to be really close. It's going to be really close. You'll probably see me take a break for the holidays, though. You'll probably see me, and that's not because anybody told me to or some algorithm nonsense. It's just that I like to take a break during the holidays, especially if I'm up. You know, I'm trying to get like maybe 2 or 3 more payouts, and just take a break, come back fresh in the year. Music a little low. So that's my plan. All right, NQ, make a decision, because I can't engage with you right here. Yeah, I can't engage with you right there. That's no man's land. I learned my lesson from that on a previous live stream. Trying to just engage with this. You're trying to guess price when all price. If you're long, there's a good possibility it'll do that to bust you out. And if you're shorting, obviously this is like a bad place to short. It'll just do this right here and then go back down or something like that. So I'm trying to stay out of this nonsense right here. Reserving my mental capital. I'm about to go for a walk. Stand up for a second. Buyers giving it the old college try once again. We're generating liquidity, guys. No, I actually believe in that one. Never mind. I believe in that one. They need our fake sim orders to execute their own positions. Alright, so here we go. If you're long right now, this is probably going to be the manipulation down to bust a couple people out. So if you're doing something like this, most likely it's probably going to come back to stop you out. So nothing for me so far, guys. Nothing for me. Alright, is it working? Bueller. Oh boy. What's Trump talking about? Mr. President! Mr. President is too much winning. I just heard somebody type that. We're winning too much, Mr. President. Alrighty. Expanded, not so expanded reversal is looking like it's trying. This range is so deadly though. How about you guys? Anybody take any trades in this nonsense yet? I would imagine that a couple of people are probably long right now. I would imagine there's more than a couple people long right now. Talk to me. Are you long? Are you short? Are you short? Are you long? And now I don't know what price wants to do. I have not even opened my top step yet. I feel you. I feel you, SBS Sniper. I feel you. Where'd all that volume go? Where'd all the energy go? What happened? This is the day to trade, right? The red folder news, right? This when things supposed to be happening. There's volume in the market. There's energy in the market. All right, looks like we're coming in on a bearish engulfing. So is the mini SBS playing now? It would have been too hard. I took a W1R on shorts. Very nice. Love to hear it, Sergio. Love to hear it, love to hear it. If you are still here, I would appreciate leaving a like, a comment, a subscribe. That's the big one. Would love it if you leave a comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. That would be great. Oh, right. Powell is speaking. I forgot about that part. I forgot about Powell. Papa Powell. Papa Powell is speaking. Alright, guys. So we're getting a bearish engulfing right here. It's just that the energy is just not there anymore. All right. Punching on downwards, punching on downwards, punching on downwards. Oh no, the silver bullet is filling. All right, so what you could see price starting to punch down a little bit lower now. Stops are way too the stop is way too high for me. If I wanted to be in the trade, I should have been in it already. So damn, we couldn't get the big SBS, guys. Looks like the little SBS is what we wanted to do. But let's see. We could punch back up a little bit more. Could be worth taking this short right here, but everything kind of suggests that we can take it. We engulfed the last two. Will buyers step in right here? Will they? Won't they? Or are we going to get like a little barcode situation? Alright, here's the play, guys, if you want it. I don't think I want it. I don't think I want it. I don't think I want it. We haven't had any sweeps. We're literally talking about just shorting into an area where we may want to sweep. Yeah, I'm not in love with it. I'm not in love with it. Not in love with it. I don't even think it's worth 3 micros, to be honest with you. I mean, it could be worth to see if it wants to punch down back down to here. But the energy in the market is just completely gone right now. Now we're engulfing on the 5. From bearish engulfing to bullish engulfing. Kind of glad I stayed out of that one. This is what I'm talking about. That's why I like streaming. Because I probably would have taken that if nobody was watching. Probably would have taken that if nobody was watching. So let's see if we can get that bigger move. Let's see if we can finally get that bigger move. Staying patient, staying disciplined, staying patient, staying disciplined. It's no rush today. We had a really, really, really good day, even though I didn't capitalize all the way on it. We had a really good day yesterday. This is kind of one of those days where it's like, yeah, you probably could have sat this shit out. Especially if you had like a really good morning yesterday. But I'm kind of being not greedy, but impatient. Once again, the market has been providing really awesome moves early into the market. They haven't really been having to wait all that long. So now that we're having to wait a little bit, it's only 10:30 technically. So you've only been here for an hour. Let me look at these SBS sniper levels. Yeah, for sure. I like that. Stomach. Put this up a little bit. Guys, we might not even engulf. Why not draw your zone over the full zone? Is that on the 30-second? Full zone. So I marked up this on the 1 minute. I'm confused what you mean by the full zone. If you draw your zone over the whole zone, lines up perfectly nice with the 618. I'm assuming you mean the last down candle, like this. It's just like a personal habit of mine. I like to see, like, this is the last up move before the down move, so technically the whole zone is should be like this, but I find that the refinement like this also helps a lot. But technically you are right. This is like the last up move before the down move, so you are right about that. You are right about that. It's just that I find that a lot of times that we're kind of doing something like this just to help out accuracy a little bit. That's all. But I could do something like that. It's just I hate getting like faked out. And the more accurate I am, the more better I feel in the trade. I don't like drawdown. I mean, who likes drawdown, right? But I struggle with not being accurate. Okay, what we got here? No engulfing candle, no move. Someone on hands. We're on hands. We are on the hands. Plus, I don't know how much this wants to tap. SMAs are kind of going sideways. The real question is, do we even want to remain bearish at this point? Look how long this is taking. We haven't really hit, well, let me see, going by that same logic. We haven't really hit this zone right here, but close enough, right? What's ES doing? ES is being a pain again, but ES also hasn't dropped down into these levels. So maybe we could, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna let price tell me. I'm gonna let price tell me. I'm done with that speculative shit. Now this feels like the no news Monday that everybody keeps on talking about. This shit kind of feels like Asia. We're not getting energy. We're not getting energy. Going nowhere fast. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are. I'm gonna stand up. Stand up. All right. Is it happening? Are the buyers finally going to win? Will they, or one day? Won't they? Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball. Will they, or won't they? You decide. We have tapped this zone like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We have tapped this zone 6 times. SMAs are not exactly expanded anymore. I mean, it's just nothing to do here, guys. It's just nothing to do here. Nothing to do here, nothing to do here, nothing to do here. Yeah, we're locked. We're locked. Nothing's really a good idea right now. Nothing's too much of a good idea. Alright, there's your first signs for longs. This little bullish engulfing right here, but and there it goes. Yeah, guys, I just simply can't engage. Learn my lesson before. Learn my lesson. Would love the price would have came up to this box right here, but she's taking all day. There we go. Flip on up. Strength, explosion. All right, they're trying it. They're trying it. They're trying it. I'm long to the 2. Nice. Nice. Oh, my bullish engulfing play would have worked. What? It's all good. Let's see if we can let's see what we can do right here. That's for value gap and small SBS in the 1 minute. Yep. I feel you. Wow. Proved me wrong, fellas. Boys and girls. Alright, we're finally getting the strength that we wanted. I was thinking about taking that long right there for the 5 minute engulfing, but it just wasn't enough. So now we're getting sweeps. It's like now I need the 20 to kind of like come up here and start pushing us down. So yeah, I don't know, man. I can't just take this blindly right here. Can't just take this blindly. That's our first little sign of strength. I don't want to be the first seller. Or maybe I do. Shit. Question is, do I have my fib anchored correctly? I think that this is correct. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till if we want to punch up again. Whoa. Trump's still yapping. Damn. The Trumpster still yapping? That's a bullish and bearish engulfing on the 1 hour. So it could start to see a flip down from here. I would love it if it punches back up to make a proper 5. But yeah, I guess it tapped the zone, I guess. You could have did something like this, but once again, this market is just tricky, man. I'm not about to beat myself up over something. Over shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah. All right. Well, it looks like this is gone. Wow, guys. I thought we was going to get a 5. Now the question is, can I enter right here? I'd love it if it comes back up just a little bit more. Tricky market here, guys. Tricky market. There will be better times to trade for sure. Alright, so we got that closure below on the 5. I can't put too much size on this though. Stops are very wide. Thinking about pulling the trigger here. NQ Sniper, what's up, man? What's up? Not loving this shop at all. Saw an opportunity right here, then decided to not get in for whatever reason. I don't know. It's just too tricky, man. Like I would love a short right here, but it's too low. I don't want to get bust out for no reason. True. Kind of wanted this one right here. I kind of wanted this short because of it wasn't even a bearish engulfing, but once again my hands are tied. Damn, so guys, we waited all that time. We waited what? An hour, 40 minutes. Gave me an entry, but doesn't give me a proper 5 sweep. I mean, it is what it is. What can you do, right? What can you do? She wants to come up a little bit. I might entertain it, but it's like, damn, this is some garbage price action right here. looks like we're starting to run now. Looks like we're starting to run now. Oh boy. That sucks. I can't even say anything because you gave me the entry. I just didn't want to take it. Oh yeah, we'd be break even right here. For sure. Definitely would have been break even right here. Yeah, Smooth, tough day. Real tough day, real tough day, real tough day. Trying my best not to FOMO into that. If it puts in a failure low, this is a long to me. Need to see confirmation. Yeah, I feel you. We have like this. We have a really decent zone right here on the 15-minute. I mean, we could be respecting it right now, but I don't know. Could work. Could work. It's just, you know, SMAs are wildly against you there. But, you know, at this point, it just seems like we're going sideways. So why not just play the sideways action, right? We're going sideways. Play the sideways action. Wait a minute. Kind of bubbling up here. You failed to go lower. It's not a good day to trade. That's what it is. That's the real problem. It's just not a good day to trade. That's all. You'll get days like this. You will get days like this. Oh my God, is Trump still yapping? Oh. Damn. Trump's still going, boys. Tell him to wrap it up. Wrap it up, B. Look at the Top Step Live.
It flows right past Los Angeles. You've seen it. Massive amounts of garbage. Almost too much to do anything about. Flowing past Los Angeles, past San Francisco.
This fool.
And then somebody will get in trouble because he dropped a cigarette on the beach.
Alright, guys. Trump is still yapping and yapping her. If we get a bullish engulfing here, I might entertain along. Might. Looking like we might get it. Little gap right there, could respect. How much does this want to go up though? That's the real question. Once again, this is definitely the harder trade here, but that is a bullish engulfing out of that area. Let me give it a shot.
Filled.
Going in with 4 micros, see if we want to come back up to these levels up here. Just 4, just 4, just 4, just 4. Realizing that I'm playing with the chop. But I am in long right here, guys. I am in long. Hoping that we get some type of respect here and keep on going upwards. Where does it want to end? Alright, might be wrong here, guys. Testing the 20 here. Yeah, we're not going lower. We're not going lower. Might be respecting this gap right here. All right, traded against the SMAs today. Something I said I'll never do. All right. Fine. All right, small paper cut there once again. Looks like this was your 5 right here. Oh boy. Still kind of believe in it though, but there's no reason for it to work. As much as I want it to work, there's no reason for it to work. All right, took a loss right there. Took a loss right there. Took a loss right there. It's like we're not going anywhere. Got faked out by the bullish engulfing there. Seems like it was working out too until it wasn't. Watching right here, see what it wants to do. Yeah, once again, dumb of me to trade against the SMAs like that. We know better. Just trade with it, not against it. Gotta be really careful about days like this. Gotta be real careful, real careful, real careful. All right. Let's see if this can continue down.
Order filled.
Ooh, that's a lot. I didn't know it was that much. Yeah, let's see if we can get down to this zone right here, guys. Not hesitate to take the BE dip if it decides to crash on down. Would love it if it does, though. More rejection, Jesus. This is what you get for playing in chop, I guess. Wow.
Order filled.
Alright, it's gonna fake me out right there or no? Let's see. Just need like a little tickle down there, NQ. No. Damn it. Alright guys, I'm in shorts. Let's see if the SMAs want to push this down finally into this zone down here. Come on, don't reject. I think we got it. And we're rejecting. Okay, we're rejecting. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 5 minute to just like follow, like really follow through. This close to just taking some off. Breakthrough. Come on, you can do it. This close to taking I'm taking the lion's
Order
share.
filled.
Taking the lion's share. I'm a break even right there. This is playing too long, too much. All right, guys, secured BE once again. Turn that red number green. Yeah, nice draft. Flip to short as well, but it didn't tap me in. Very nice. Yeah, guys, if this comes back to BE and it's looking like it will, then I'm just done for the day. Like, this is bullshit. This is bullshit. Yeah, back into the range we go. Most likely. I would love a $200 day. But that's not happening today. Alright, we turned the red green, guys. We turned the red green. Yeah, man, I'm out of this.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is yeah, we're just not calling it. I mean, we're kind of sort of calling it correctly. We said we wanted to short up here. Technically we got it, but we're not getting followed through. SMAs are going sideways. This is consolidation price action. It's not exactly advised that we even touch this type of price action anyway. There is a playbook in the Stoic mentorship that shows you the four different types of trading environments. You have trending bull, trending bear, you have consolidation, and then we have expanded. This is the consolidation. If you don't know what that is, when the 20 or the 2, or even worse, the 200 is weaving through price just like this, right? That means we are in a classic consolidating market, meaning we may not get followed through. That's in a nutshell. So expecting this low to get broken probably wasn't going to happen. You might even be able to flip long right here, but it's kind of my fault. Should have been up here somewhere or down here, so it's all good. But $16 on the sim funded account. I might give it another couple more minutes. The closer we get to PAL, the more stagnant we'll probably get. So might be worth coming back after, but you know what I mean? Yeah, this looks like this was your 5 right here. It's the SBS is a little low into the range, you know what I mean? I'm still used to the 4 and the 5 being like up here somewhere. So your 5 being down here was kind of a trick ball. I mean, trick ball. Fastball. Curveball. There we go, curveball. So technically that was 1L, 1W. Technically. I wish I could have held through some more of that, but it's just, I mean, look at it, dog. Look at it, guys. There's no way I'm breaking my account in this. Look at this. I'm just not doing it. There's no way I'm doing it. No way I'm doing it. Time is at 11 o'clock. Still a little early, but the closer we get to PAL, the more I'm like, ugh. If you're still holding, congratulations. But I couldn't sit through that. Just give me my points and let me get out. Might cascade down now. Ooh, looks like it's about to break. Looks like it's about to break, guys. Watch it break. It's about to break. With me not in it. Here we go. Or not. Or not. Yeah, a lot of indecision, guys. A lot of indecision. Next time, we're not sure. I'm probably not going to press a button in this. All right, you could play the range one more again. Oh, look at that. That's a bullish engulfing. Eh. Long doesn't sound that bad right here. Trading against the SMAs though. We're kind of expanded on the 5. Could be worth. I don't want to be the first buyer though. Don't want to be the first buyer. Yeah. Could see something like this. It stops right there, so. Yeah, it's not looking too bad now. 5 minute looks a little extended, but the 1 minute is still very much sideways. Very tough. Trump's still speaking. Oh, it looks like he's not. Huh. I want to do buyers want to buy. Do the buyers want to buy? This doesn't look too bad. I might give it a shot.
Order filled.
Might give it a shot here. Stops at the low. Like $80 right there. Alright, nothing too crazy, guys. Nothing too crazy. Let's see if we can get back up to these levels. See if somebody wants to turn the market back on, or do we want to just consolidate again? Can anyone turn the market back on? Kind of needed to close up there. Should have put a little bit more on. Shit. All right, guys, I'm gonna break even. I'm not messing with this market today, so a break even right there. If it comes back, it comes back. If it comes back, it comes back. The 5 minute looks a little extended here. Trump has finally stopped yapping. Let's see if we can get some alpha here, which would have got in where I wanted to get in, but you know, $30. 30 so bucks. Yeah. Negligible. We're pumping though. This now then, nah. I want to see this continue, honestly. I want to see this continue. It's not really worth letting go yet. I got my 1-to-1 though, so definitely at break even there. Got my 1-to-1, so definitely at the break evens. Not really worth taking anything off, in my humble opinion. Watching out for this 5 leg though. So once we hit like this white box, I'll think about trailing stops. we are BE here, and seeing how this market has been going so far, this may just hit me out because I got my stops a little tight. But what can you do in a market like this, right? You get a couple points, see profit, take profit, right? I'm actually surprised I didn't close already. All right, I'm hands off the mouse. Whatever happens, happens here. Why is my music failing me? Thank you. Would love to open up stuff just a little bit, but nah. That's coming back to hit me at BE. I want to see a push up from here. Oh boy. Nope, don't think we're gonna get it. Stops too sight.
Order filled.
Oh, what a market, guys. What a market, what a market, what a market. Had profit, let it go.
Order filled.
Try it again. Actually, that's a bad idea. I'm not trying this again. I really want this push up. I kind of believe in it, to be very honest. All right, now I just want to see a little bit of strength in Q. Little strength here. A little bit of strength right here. Don't reject. If we make a new high, I can break evens, or at least put my stop at the original place. Failing to make a new high here.
Order filled.
Back at $14. Letting the rest of the three rock. What is going on? There's that pop. Can we follow through? Very good. Very good. I might just get out in a second too.
Order filled.
All right, I'm leaving it there, guys. Forget today. Forget it today. Forget it today. Forget it today, man. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. We got almost $70. Oh boy, a little emotional there, but I believed in the trade. This would have been perfect. This was the actual move I should have been in with this 5-minute engulfing right there. It's small, but it's technically a 5-minute engulfing. With the 5-minute being expanded from the 200. I mean, the 20 being expanded from the 200. So this, if I had something like this, this would have been like, this would have been a really good day. But guys, I'm locking my account. That's what we're going to do. Well, no, I'm locking my account. No, lock it out. Lock it out for the day. 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 Guys, that's going to do it for me. Been here for way too long staring at this shit. If you made profit, congratulations. If you did it right, congratulations. But I'm leaving this market, man. I'm leaving this market. So if you can, please like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTuber things. I would really appreciate it. I'm about to go and, I don't know, buy some food. I'm about to buy some food, cook, so we don't have to eat out. And yeah, don't be a degenerate, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.